Hello and welcome again. In today's lecture, we discuss about the SIP-to-SIP call flow in details. Let's understand the call flow with an example here. Let's say we have two VoIP phone A and B having number 2345 and IP address 192.168.0.10, and for the B the number is 1123 and the IP address is 192.168.0.2. Now phone A wants to establish a call with phone B. The format of dialing in VoIP to the phone B is like SIP, number, @ IP address, and the SIP port number, which is 5060. Here in this example, the dialing pattern is now SIP, number, which is phone B number 1123, @ IP address, which is the phone B IP address 192.168.0.2, and the SIP default port number, which is 5060. Now, when the phone A dials the phone B number, a request named invite is generated and sent to the phone B. The invite is generally used for call establishment. Now, the phone B, while receive this invite request, now he understood that the phone A wants to establish a call with him. Then it immediately sent a 1XX response called 100 rang, which indicate the call is successfully received. When the phone A received this 100 rang response, he now understood that the invite request is successfully received by the phone B. Now B started ringing to alert the user and send another 1XX response called as 180 ringing to phone A, which indicates the phone is now ringing. When the phone A received this 180 ringing response, now he understood that the phone B it started ringing. When the user of the phone B is received the call, then the phone B immediately send a success response called as 200 OK to the phone A, which indicates the call is successfully established. Now, with the phone A received this 200 OK, he knows that the call is successfully received by the phone B. So it sent another request called as ACK, which means acknowledgement for successfully received of the 200 OK response. Now the call is successfully established between the A and B. Now A and B can start talking with each other. If you look into the 1XX response like 100 rang and 180 ringing, it does not tell about the call is successful. It tells about the call is in progress for success. That's why we call this 1XX response as a call progress response. Whereas the 200 OK, it tells about that the call is successful. So the 2XX response, we call it as success response. Now, once the conversation is over between A and B, either A party or B party can terminating the call. Whosoever is terminating the call, it will send another request called as BYE for terminating the call. And the another end send 200 OK response for successful termination of the call. This is about the basic SIP-to-SIP call flow idea. Here, from invite to 200 OK, we called it as one transaction, where the acknowledgement is a separate transaction, and BYE and 200 OK is another transaction. From initial invite to terminating BYE, we called it as one session. You might have question on your mind, how do you identify this one is the first transaction, up to this is a first transaction, acknowledgement is a separate is a second transaction, and BYE 200 OK is a separate transaction. How do you identify that? So that we'll discuss when you know about the header field. This is all about the basic SIP-to-SIP call flow. We'll also discuss more on this on our future slide. I hope you learned something, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.